Yeah, like in ntse ke qetella before the break more ba ruti ba bala mo ba batla be le fela wa bona. So ona le di chapter tse le go ntama di ke di share ka ga bibele cause ona le mo ile reng ke ka research ya ka ona le hlalosang Jesu bronze like guy black pikinyana bronze like intonyana tse jwalo wa bona with a kinky hair and stuff like that and all those descriptions for a later moment. So religion by sebedisitse to confuse the mind ya daki wa bona wena bra.
Okay.
Yeah. Or again o bone ka ga o rapela dintho di tla etsala ho feta ha o chesampe.
Ha o chesampe.
Wa bona la di. O bone ka ga o ya ngakeng ya sekgowa. Wa bona
it's much better.
O feta o sebedisa ditlamatla. Wa bona la di. O fitsi khutlela tabenyana e khotmana la bua hanyenyana ya melani. Wa bona le ne di bua ya go experiment a go tse go etse dieta. Wa bona la di ona le bo di fihlang di tlo kopana ka ba tsena di fe essence ya go go etsahala. Wa bona because now what one they are not only after the minerals in the land, they are even after us. There are some scary stuff tse lo go ga ka etsa di researches tsa how o tlo batho ba tla tswana le bona ka kelello and the strength. Wa bona that's how cruel these guys were.
So the word cannibalism is more like bujamuthimo. Before we tell to the next topic where we will
Leona, it got its long history.
But in short, cannibalism, it is like a SA. Immediately, I see that engulf Europe, more to our level. The Romaldis by the Batamana via Europe, the Lord like ice in it. So now, how I see equating Tamacham and Tunguleng, Utoja. How do I want to age? So, who have another car, Mafika, Maha, Afika Lagara Maha, was not doing over Gaijan, getting to the Maya Moo. Bumabote in Maha, and then later on by 2000 in Mark. How no sure? But about because no not too long so Italy is all cannibalism, the history America, how Shaba, but when in Batoa, Bukai, but America, Kanakoya, and Cassizina now, but Banaba Itola, Batawa and Basha because Banabasa prepare enough for it. Baby di jote ta khona ba khanna Maria wa feed o tse Maria ka man ha tshwanele Maria bona wa bona like le Maria tse ho rona ka mali ke ice wa bata like wa so ha le sna di jote tsa ranka go ja batho madimo ke ntwe tlile bana bana aba ke tabe ba batla go le gona mona o bile le madimo I never ga ba batho le re jana Africa mona re ka jana jwang Africa modimo a re file ntsheng le nngwe potata ikhaela perekisi kena apole kena wa ba
Everywhere.
Like food nama iteng ho se mona wa re ka
nna sa jela ho nna ba ya bona
so ke ntho ga lo cannibalism ke ntho ke le ba ba batla go ntsheng le nngwe mpe ba yentseng ba itlise ka go
bona batho
they are list of the Dracula ke motho ana le teng even vampires like a shalosa ntate Mpotlore ba le ka ho ja nthong le ngwe tshwanang le wena go batho ba tlo tshwanang le ba bona so now batho ba bangata ba tsamaka empa every year hona le motho a tlamileng a hlajuwe a beswa jiwe because they did it kana kwa slavery ha se America fela le mona ke ntho le tsetsa na batho ba bangata ba nyametseng le lore ha tse o etsa na mara ba tseba lo magoa a consumer ntong le ngwetso o shebe le bo ho hle mona ba rata cocoa chocolate ke batho ba dilang ba nwa jwala so sa bana ntwina e lorong na le wena rena le yo
all right hayi ngicabanga ukuthi mina ngiphenduleke kahle imbuzweni ebekunayo so singadlulela kwenye itopic angazi baba ngathi buso usiprepare yona kahle so singahle singene phezulu kwayo kla
yeah itopic esizokhuluma ngayo kwamanje yi i-conditions ezikhona ngaphakathi country kuze kanjani amabhula acidelele asicinezele kuze kanjani sigqibezele sesinama organized groups baqale nge-ANC i-ANC yafongwa izinkosi because gale marena e nentse le nthwane ya hore ha re monolithic ko re ha re ntho one ha re le Basotho ha re phele re le bangkwana Maxhosa kwana morena wa Maxhosa wa Makhoi wa Masrani wa Mapedi wa Mazulu wa eng e ne le ntho e one ha di kopana di kingdom tso di etsa eng di re bitsang empire kapa dynasty se sale re phela jwang so Makgowa ha fitla ba fitle ba iqhaqha ntwe but ANC qadwe ke marena mara ba sa qale in a formal way ka tsela e le go gona re tlwaetse go phedisana ka yona gore ga tseba gore kana go so ha kopana marena rena kopana then ba tlisemela etsa bathong hona le marena e le gore ke marena manyane jwalo go re sa le re phela ka tsela e ya democracy go gona ke democracy e senyene le gore ga e bona ya etsa so Makgowa Makgowa hlokomelang hore no man batho ba batho ba batla ba bohlale ba la ba qala ba etsang ba qala ka hintsa Maxhosa ke sa hopola morena wa Makhoi le mankana go eno ke bona batho ba pele ba ile re ba ile ba iswa kae Robben Island nto hintsa yena hintsa o la tlamene le morena wa Maxhosa o la tlamea gaolo hlo wa ya ba tsama ka yona ba isa kae Dutch le Holland aba se go tlise dilo
so ikhanda lesile umzimba usele
so ke tse dintsa dintho tse le reng letsa etsa re qeteletse re organize ka le batho ba batho go so kene ntho tsena tsa bo dikolo bo di missionary jwalo then ANC ya qala ya fungwa keng ke batho ba batho ba se ba kene sekolo like haholo but how to launch of monore formation ya ANC ile based on my Pan Africanism because in African Native National Congress and is shebane le ditaba tsa batho ba batho hana go ntse ya ha se fita man go di 46 months ke man mo lo ba tala ba etsang se bana le maqhama le bo Communist Party Indian Congress go mamma because ho no lwantswa eng mmuso na wa apartheid ke man mo lo reng he o la etsalang ha qala ha ba le go sutlwane ka hara ANC tsona no
o mane ke go kana hanyana fela ina wa hantle ne so ga ba mmuso wa apartheid ka 1940s early 1940s a go gopola
o ga e ya dume ha ke re mmuso wa apartheid gore ine le ntse le ntwe wa
no ya be ke ba
ke temete
ka mo wa bona da ding because that's the other thing e ke le ka go ya trasa e batho ba se ke ba tama we confuse hore apartheid the term apartheid e bile le mo se lo reng e qala ka so wa bona and I've just discovered in history hore Elon Musk is even his grandfather was the architect.
That's
funny how it is. Wa bona da ding yeah so yeah ntonyana tse jwalo wa ifuma so before Maburu a introduce apartheid ka bo bona wa bona le re buswa from England wa bona but with the same mentality wa bona o tsho apartheid ha ga experience apartheid haiwa the experience is na ka ha itu because experience is kama Dutch which are your Afrikaners
the Dutch came first
I get so ke tsoma ga o sa na tse hore ke mang ma we experience two ways wa bona tsa apartheid as the Dutch 2 ways first by the Dutch and the British as what man I wa bona da and after they fought about consolidated into Ape, we were still victims. Right? Because government of South Africa then in the consist of one element of
the Union Jack. Flachaya Maburu Yamaro. Evanavana Leonarding Dutch, the British.
Okay.
Flachaya the Union Jack again. So Larava get our lot. mara motho a na le government e le Britain e ska molwana habo le mama le se go tswa go manele Smith mama what malana batho ba so now ela ba ka taolana ba buisana huwa the election ya ba Mabugo a winner National Party winner against South Africa and he got on a politics ya kala he e ba teng o ka tsela pele mama.
So that's the thing we're gonna write in. So the introduction of apartheid when I'm and the fight before hasn't put down as well as Kotman and Aichilo both ways the apartheid you are going. That's the foot from where and means a color story thing. No, we understand that. Easier end or I wanna write in. So now what one of a fish about with and to ba kalabaita ba control na ba bona ba pressa ba thini ba tseba tla ya bona ba pressa ba thini tla ya bona wa bona la ding and all those things e tla me yona e tseba hale ha ya itsuwa ka negotiation if because that was always a gun or some sort of torture or some sort of putting you to death and I got la esimunati. So violence was and is always the weapon for the white people. So this thing is going to control when I'm so that's why I told you but control like a how pelo to samuli and then how do you move on about the system area? You are slowly dying every day. From Dijoto Dija, we have Mediana on and your foodies. You just consume sickness. Why? Because Bawutido, how Tama, we must see Olole, or we can say it's too tight. Mahalibu here, the Olole Leme has him say it's too tight. When how time we get it into a Galfatilla, we get the dishes how or again to it hard. But you want an example of this one. That's how much the system in a retame of Ritagayo or a Pilagayo. And I give you a jolly address something happens, Hotman as I can Hanyaneka Politikia or not about 2 hours. So I want, or what was the real reason for the formation? And the whole answer on and protect the get a who hallucinate at all. Or Fatin Launa or Amohiti, I get a whole Amohela or a twister or a piece of flow. Or I want to and then Bibili and I fish I am a rapilla, I get a know what I long and Totara, the way we didn't legate, every Kiska Bulai. What do I know polite? Then get to Toronto Tarasha.
They are who sit up will become
to Toronto Tarasha. Because I go up how about the country. With the example, like I know of being Tota or Tola again, like it's on Tota, how do you got like a Hanagato? Tota how? But don't take it on Tota how? And can't have me out. I couldn't take out to get on Tota, I would say, I do, Mamma. I got to learn that I went for some Tota. So Fatila, how long will you to retreat as well?
Olabali dintwa pakeng tsa ditšhaba ba lwanela lefatshe ba bang banketse ba bang lefatshe o la ga dula fatshe ha buisana batho okay banna ha re buisaneng ka fatshe la ke kae mo ntele ha e bola lwana bo mama bita bo man
banka fatshe la batho ba
ke kae.
That's the only way o tlo hapa lefatshe ha o lwane ka puo ha o le hape ka puo o le hapa ka ntwa.
So ho kisa bohloko fumana hore ka shego re maemong le loreng tlamehile rona re a qeka
always
hobane history e ntate a buang ka yona ya utlwa ka 1652 fitela ka 2025 ya tshwana
still the same.
ha ona phapano because hona jwale ntse re sena next ha bona 15% ya population e owner 89%.
70, 80 something.
No kana ba owner 90% lo or ba owner le maphelo a rona on there is not next today ntate moholo wa hao o sietse ntate wa hao a max mara bona ba phela ka re ditšhelete tse lo reng tse sale ba di siola ke bo mama
tse ba tse di tsweng ke batho bana ba sa o sielang foko.
Which is the question when ngihlezi ngizibuza ukuthi if this question ukuthi ngiyibuzwe nabantwana abancane ukuthi why mkhulu wena ungenazo inkomo, why ungenalo iplazi zathathwa kanjani? I think it's a question esiyibuzwa now everyone ukuthi kwenzakaleni kahle because now we don't have
exactly what we are talking about as to how these people invaded us. Yakhumbula from the previous conversation or they came as business people and friends and then later turn into something after studying us. Then they came, okay, in order for us to control, we introduce 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we conquer these people. Because once we conquer these people,
so singahle sisho ukuthi I plan, this was a planned thing. Which these people
in fact, I get now I get because I always say outside every motor how no push is a political and how no it's I want to I give you the advantage you all la country na la country no about the little also to that whole la gamuna hat. So get the one pero belo na you will listen somebody else na belo ringi. I can tell you naga hono survivor without a white man. Cause mogo hulete ntende sutu. Hulete masimi, hulete mona miduko. Te ba di sezi. Lona lole weda nte ke sheba la nte chincha ke bona tshoko yini se tlame itse ka na go itse o jalo eng ka na go itse mo ya ba beda ya no ha na motho a mo gutile yona ka ela school ke yint on top so also we see that part of life how do we see so why really more on top cause ke mo tlo bona teng ho no man, things are working different. Not democracy
or something like that.
So experience you know man when I go to be able to fat. What I'm trying to compare the two things. So I want to live about fat. All fat without it. How now talk about why it. Why gonna write it. So when I learn about how company really busy on everything is on the ground really fast. So essentially in get post a release of political prisoners just before the 1994 Mandela was so kana go tsa di codesa ha ba qeta ho ntsha batho bana ntse ke le mnyane ke sa follow yantle but ke gotlile ka etsa ntho tsa ka sheba ka etsa ngwa bona la di but what I understood go hore there was no total freedom for the black men after those negotiations whatever in a leader in a question we give them this on our Dulanzerani and who are Ferricana low fit about a ka democracy tlameha multi-party system elo rinking e divide more and more cause ha ke sa utlwane le wena ka ntho e itse ke bona ho le molemo ke lo bula party ya hore ke khona ho pusha la ding instead of our working re dule re shebisane da ding hobane is for the common benefit ya ka lwena Wayabona that
that's why sinamaphathi amaningi namhlanje
multi-party system.
Okay.
It weakens the leadership. It's a leadership weak. So during the coalescence, now that was the part of the agreement. Everybody give freedom, but it's a total freedom for that. Because honona le motho elo go dila wa tsa ema di coalescence ka yana sa utlwisisita ba tsena ka ofela. Go tlo ke krisana. A re ka dutla la di bua dintho ka ofela. Mara ha kutlu di bua taba le fatshe. Cause ntho ena e le gore nna ke bona e etsahala mona o tlo benefita batho bao ba fiu fela batho bana ba tlo sokola. And what did the system do? They make sure ba dila ka krisana the way ba ditseng ka ena cause ona bua ka nthwane e mang ramla sa batla go bua ka yona e le gore ha re bua ka yona today ba re bona hona le genocide South Africa, the land.
We talk about the land.
Alright, because you can't have a privilege to run your empire if you don't have a land.
The land.
Alright, like Hotman and I use that I didn't outside of it. When I learn no le marana abusa on dimale fatile or other EBT.
Yeah.
$1 when I draw. So the governance really did it's a lie. The only governance said that you like how inside of everything. That's true democracy. Because there and there. So I was not the fact Harana Kulu Murata di Ahating, Hola Murata Gita Inti. Harana next. Harana mineral or extra perlo rixita mama. At our own discretion. It's in review to Mama, because we're not all into the fella Yanku.
Don't happen to understand the Korea. When you tell like ANC. Because but Havana background the ANC hand.
And I think it's something it can be
because now I let out vote 94. They vote because they did to come Mandela girl. But let's say we're not the vote out my age. Even the ANC now, Zanga and Tumabura and the Baba local the liberation movement, the PAC, Azapo, Leona ANC. Azanga by the Maburu before a local lava, by thing, Balaba and Toribit referenda. We're not voting Radumeraga or Raba local Lacapana by 8 National Party we again, Kamata local. Rona, Havali. During the consultation, when a man's never travel, okay, when I go on a Mabuga negotiate. Then Reaga, the ring ain't of ring, Lobuaka aim. But Tata will be the guy who were the 40s. Mahuana Santan today, a happy and more about travel at Takara ANC. No one, the facility like Larunaka because Kaleho, they are enough information at ANC. As much as in the Pan Africanism, Kadido Balea Mono, Nabo 40 Mono, Sebabuaka in nationalism, African nationalism, multiracialism in Basaba Valeta by Alphaz. But how could Otosheva know? But Ravangatavango, no, Kora is the first liberation movement, Kiona Tabula Irula, Mara. L'into ba di etsang di tsamaisana le tselope le ntshetsopele ya motho motho na di weekend ha di etse ntho e magoa banki le ANC ba etsa go tshwana la ka nka mantle a ntja wa tshasa ka chocolate ka ntle then wa reksetsa motho o tlo a ja ke I'm not. Mara chocolate and the fella. Oh, so we can tell him my why in the guys. By the but Havana had the Vasivisa Mandela. Then Mandela is gone. I say system but for one who watch an original hey and tree today. Jerry Banaki, the corruption. And about banana or about Rams and Big Havabalia Babatamu. No, the more water. Irregular, Irregister Perumo. di-60 kwana bo Nigerians ba independent bo mamang ke ha sentse ba rekisa yona freedom ena ya corruption gore nka bongane le kolwane le Makhwenkwe tla ba bona di-president da then re ba fa support ya masole a rona gore ba batla go ngangisana le batho ba ra ba bolae so iputso re na go baneng lona batjha ka shekolo go letse iputso re wa Makgowa a ntse le Makgowa a tshwere naga ya rona because of what Makgowa nkile ANC ba sebedisa se tool against whether na wela le rena papa fumana rona ha ba le mema ya Khodese ha ba le ditsa go lo bua ka Khodese wa tsa bana ba buang ka Khodese next ha o tse mara o so tseba go ne ho na le orange jwa na ka rana o ka ba batla homeland ya bona Makgowa
ha bo ma
government ya rona e dumelletse ntwe
ha bo ma ngatla eno mo
nna ka hore rona jwale ha ba men tla ditsa ka di president te ka ofela ha di tsebe go batjha ba gona ba bolawa ke dithethefatsi
they know exactly
why government e tloela di zama di mine tse kwetseng sa dibudi batho ba
sebetse go tsona yes
bane
ayo ba ka legalize fela
nga se tloe ha ka hao ka lo kopa tshwarelo kapa ka o tseka go ne o be le setswalle le nna mara ke tseba setswalle sa ha se a dula hodima nnete so diketsalo tse tsalano di a bontsha gore ha ra tloa re bile le government ya batho ba batsho re bile fela le government e le gore e tlo etsa re se ka senya ntho tsa mabuo se ka batla ntho tsa go di ba tsona mabuo la tla South Africa o le so ene ba ntse bo show ba go like a hlalosa entertain botlo Christian e bula straight up nka rata le nna ka se letsa parliament ke se tse batho mara nna ke thola ke sheba ke thola gore go tlo safara batjha ke bona ba tlole mala ho feta because batho bana ba itshebetse ditaba tsa bona ene ya etsa ha today ene ba mo bola Christian o he re kwana ba bolaya so now sheba Winnie Mandela ba mo victimize